How to view someone's Instagram story without them knowing or without being seen. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're on your home page, you will find all the story at the top of the feed and all the Instagram stories are displayed there. Now, instead of locating the story of a person that you want to view, you have to tap on the story of the account next to it. Tap on their story. Now, what you have to do is you have to swipe the story to your right in order to view the story of the account just in front of it that you wish to view their story. Here, instead of fully swiping to your right, you only have to swipe the halfway, and as you can see, I'm able to view the story of this account on my left hand side. So just swipe it to the half without fully revealing the story. After viewing the story, make sure to quickly exit by swiping back out of the story. Now if you go back, there you can see now the story is still not seen. So that was a small trick that will help you to view someone else's story without them knowing. But this method will work only for single stories or photos. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.